As the world is observing International Day of Happiness, a brutal massacre of the Sikhs was carried out by the Indian Army and the agencies in occupied Kashmir 25 years ago. 35 members of the Sikh community were butchered by the troops in disguise in Chhattis Singhpura area of the Islamabad district on 20th March 2000 on the eve of the then US President Bill Clinton's visit to India. What is more agonizing part of the massacre is that the perpetrators have not been accused punishment, and the delay in justice has led to growing resentment among the Sikh community. New Delhi installed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's administration has handed over more than 2,000 canals of land to the non-locals under the guise of the investment in the internationally recognized disputed territory of occupied Kashmir over the past 2 years. This was confirmed by the occupied Kashmir government in a reply to a question raised by the PDP MLA Abdul Wahid Para. It has been revealed that the Indian police and the State Investigation Agency have been deployed at the Srinagar Press Club to maintain constant surveillance on the journalist in order to further tighten the control over the press freedom in occupied Kashmir. A police station has been set up inside the press club, while 2 offices of the State Investigation Agency are located within the press enclave. National Conference member Legislative Assembly Ali Mohammad Sagar has urged India to hold talks with Pakistan to resolve the Kashmir dispute. Speaking in occupied Kashmir Assembly, Ali Mohammad Sagar stressed that dialogue is the only way to resolve the issues. PhD scholars staged a protest in Srinagar against the delay in the release of the fellowships for the past 3 months. The scholars at the National Institute of Technology, holding placards with "Release Our Fellowships" message, gathered at the main gate and raised slogans against the administration.